Welcome back to another video of Eagles Overlanding. This week I am by myself doing some solo camping, and we came out here just to a regular spot that I usually come out to with some friends, and I've also been out here with Chris and Paul. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go explore and go find another spot if we don't freeze. It is currently, I want to say 16 degrees right now. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it is cold. My feet are freezing, my hands are numb. I've been sitting by the fire, just watched Fast Track Overland's newest video. I've got Miley in the tent this time, keeping her warm as much as I can. We're just out here, about to go to bed, and catch you in the morning. Well guys, we're in the tent. It's pretty spacious in here. Like, I can sit up in here comfortably. I can almost stay on my knees in here, which is nice. There's plenty of room for me and Miley. She's enjoying it in here, I think. She's been in here a couple hours. Been keeping her out of the cold because it is 17 degrees outside. And I think it's getting, the lows will be 14. So we're gonna go get some sleep and wake up, cook some breakfast, hang out a little bit, and do some exploring and go camp somewhere new that I've not been to yet. So yeah, see you later. Good afternoon. I'm saying afternoon because it's 11:30. We slept really well. I didn't get cold. Miley seems to have done okay. She's just been chilling. I wish she would bark or whine or something to want out, to use the restroom or something, but she doesn't, so I'll get her out of here so she can go, because I'm sure she's got to go. Yeah, let's get this day started. Discovered something for me that I've never seen before at this campsite, but there was a little game trail, and if you walk down the game trail, it took you to this bluff area. That's pretty cool. I mean, this whole line here is just a big bluff, like even back there. So that's cool. Of course, you can't see any of this when it's springtime because all the leaves are up and stuff. But pretty neat. Pretty neat. Well, good afternoon, guys. We've made it. We made it to. It is beautiful up here. It's also freezing up here, so I am not gonna stay here tonight. There's still snow on the ground in some places, but yeah, it is gorgeous. I mean, can't see it right now, but I'll show you here in a second. The view is wow. But I think we have plans to stay here this coming weekend, and yeah. I think we're going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Support this channel and everything that we do. Hope you guys are stoked about the new tent as much as I am. And one last thing. We finally added stickers to the merchandise store. So go check out longcreekoverland.com and you can get yourself some hoodies, some t-shirts, and some stickers. Help support this channel because gas is getting expensive. Food is getting expensive. And on another note, this is the last video I'm making as a 19-year-old. So the next video you see, I will be 20 years old. Woo! Yay! So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.